Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of SEO or search engine optimization. If you're new to digital marketing or just looking to brush up your skills, you're in the right place. SEO is all about improving your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results. This is crucial because the higher your site ranks, the more visible it is to potential visitors. Let's break it down. There are three main pillars of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing the content on your website. This means using the right keywords, creating quality content, and making sure your titles and descriptions are search engine friendly. Next, there's off-page SEO. This is all about building your site's reputation and authority. Think backlinks from other websites and social media engagement. Lastly, technical SEO. This might sound daunting, but it's about ensuring your site is structured in a way that search engines can easily understand. This includes site speed, mobile friendliness, and structured data. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of improving and adapting your site as search engines and online behaviors change. That's a wrap on our SEO basics. Stick around for more detailed tutorials on each aspect of SEO. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. See you in the next one!